Hello and welcome to this channel. This time I'm presenting to you a very popular Indo Chinese dish which mostly everyone loves to relish. And this is one such recipe of mine for making the sweet and spicy chili chicken. It is cooked with boneless chicken with spices and seasoning and the sweet and savory Chinese sauces. So check out this recipe of mine and don't forget to share with us your feedbacks. For the first process, here we take the boneless chicken strips. Now, for a quick marination, I'm adding white pepper powder, a bit of salt, a splash of sesame oil, and some dark soy sauce. Simply mix all these well and marinate the chicken strips. It's good to keep it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Now, let's keep it aside and proceed with the other preps. Here, into a mini chopper, I'm taking some ginger and garlic. Roughly mince them and this is how it looks. As of now, let's keep it aside and then proceed with the cooking process. Heat a heavy bottom pan at medium and as it gets heated, let's add oil. Here I'm using sesame oil. Then into this, we're going to add the marinated chicken strips. This amazing dish is believed to be invented in Kolkata by the Chinese restaurateurs as a way of creating a spicy and savory chicken dish using the Chinese sauce. Now it's very popular everywhere. And of course, there are many variations to it as well. Let's spread them evenly on the pan and shallow fry for a while. I like to fry at medium to low heat so that the chicken is cooked well and also we'll get an outer crispy texture. This may take about 3 to 4 minutes. Again, in between, with the help of a spatula, flip to the other side as well so that both the sides are cooked well. So altogether, the frying may take about 5 to 8 minutes or so. And this is how it looks after frying. Let's take it to a plate and keep it aside for a while till we saute the veggies. Again, into the same pan, I'm adding the minced ginger and garlic, which we had previously prepared. In this recipe, I usually love to make the fresh use of ingredients. Now, saute all these for 1 minute or till they are slightly brown. Next, I'm adding some fresh green chilies. This gives an extra spice, but this is optional if you want it less spicy. And also, if you're particularly serving them for the kids, you can skip them as well. And then let's begin with adding the sauce. First, the dark soy sauce. Now I'm adding the sriracha sauce, the green chili sauce. Just stir in and mix them all. And some sweet red chili sauce, or you can also add the sweet Thai sauce. Simply saute them for a while. Here let's make a quick prep for some onions. For this measurement of chicken, I'm taking about half portion of a medium-sized onion. Dice them small and then separate the petals out. Now let's add them to the sauce mix and stir in. As it is cooking, let's also prep with some other veggies. You may include any veggies of your choice. Mostly veggies like bell pepper, mushroom, tomatoes, baby carrots all goes well with this recipe. But as of now, I'm using only the capsicum. Add them into the sauce mix and saute. So now we're almost done. Let's immediately add in the fried chicken strips. In this recipe, the veggies should retain a little crunchiness. So give a quick stir. Now here for an extra spice, I'm also adding some red chili flakes. And lastly, let's garnish with some roasted sesame seeds for the authentic flavor and feel. So that's it. Just mix all together. So off the flame, it's now crispy and crunchy and ready to serve. So let's plate it in our style. This dish is of course better when served hot. And here's a special sweet and spicy chili chicken ready to serve. You can see the sauce and the spices are well coated to the chicken strips. And as you had seen, we had not used any flour for coating and we had also made the minimal use of oil as well. This recipe can be served with any food like roti, bread, naan, or even rice. And the amazing part is, this can be served as an appetizer as well. So, next time, when you feel like having some chili chicken, try this recipe. It's not so difficult, but the taste will surprise you. You're gonna surely love it. And so, for the detailed recipe, check out our website. And there's a link for you in the description below. And don't forget to save and share this recipe with your loved ones. And if you enjoyed cooking with us, do like this video and share with us your feedbacks. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you soon in our next video.